There comes a time in everyone's life when they finally understand one simple truth: you will never find another me. Maybe that sounds confident. Maybe it sounds arrogant. Maybe it even sounds confusing, but it's not arrogance. It's not pride, it's simply the truth. In this world of billions of people, we forget that every soul is different. Every heart beats in its own rhythm. Every person carries a unique combination of pain, experiences, memories, love, sacrifice, and lessons learned. So when I say you will never find another me, I don't say it to impress you, I say it because it's a fact. And whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, honestly, I'm not sure, because being different is not always easy. Being loyal in a world full of selfish people is not easy. Being real in a world full of masks is not easy. Being kind when most people only take advantage of kindness is not easy. Sometimes being one of a kind hurts more than it helps. You give love, real love, and people don't know how to handle it. You give loyalty, deep loyalty, and people don't know how rare it is. You give your time, your energy, your effort, and people take it as if it means nothing. They walk away as if what you gave them can be replaced. They think they can find someone better. They think they can find someone easier, and you watch them leave, thinking, maybe they can. But with time, with experience, with life, they realize the truth. People like me don't come again. People who genuinely care. People who actually show up. People who stand beside you even when everyone else walks away. People who forgive even when they were hurt. People who give even when they have nothing. People who love even when they get nothing in return. These kinds of people are rare, but the world only understands their value too late, when the messages stop coming, when the wishes stop arriving, when the support is gone, when the silence replaces conversations, when the space you once filled becomes empty. That's when people realize, you will never find another me. But here's the truth people don't understand: being different doesn't always feel like a blessing. Sometimes it feels like a curse. Because when you have a big heart, you get hurt more than others. When you stay loyal, you get betrayed more than others. When you stay true, you get misunderstood more than others. When you love deeply, you get broken more than others. When you sacrifice, you get ignored more than others. People don't know your worth while you are present, but your absence teaches them more than your presence ever did. When you stop calling, when you stop checking, when you stop trying, when you stop caring. The silence becomes louder than all the words you ever spoke, and suddenly, the people who took you for granted start remembering the little things, the moments you stood by them, the times you saved them from their own darkness. The days you encouraged them when they were losing hope, the nights you listened when they needed someone, the love you gave without expecting anything, the loyalty you carried without conditions. Slowly, they understand, and painfully, they accept. You will never find another me, but listen carefully, this message isn't for them, this is for you. You don't have to regret being a good person, you don't have to change who you are, you don't have to close your heart, because your uniqueness is your strength, not your weakness. Yes, the world is full of people who will misuse your kindness. Yes, there are people who will leave even after receiving everything. Yes, there are people who will replace you with something temporary. Yes, there are people who will break you without thinking twice. But you are not like them, and that's exactly why they will miss you someday. Your heart is different, your soul is different, your energy is different, your loyalty is different, your intentions are different, your presence is different, and that difference is your power. One day, someone will appreciate it, someone will value it, someone will protect it, someone will match it, someone will love it, but until that day comes, protect yourself, don't chase, don't beg, don't cry over people who didn't see your worth, don't break yourself to fix others, don't lose yourself trying to keep someone in your life. You are not meant for everyone, you are meant for the right ones, so let people think whatever they want, let them walk if they want to walk, let them replace you, let them ignore you, let them misunderstand you, let them believe they can find better, because the truth will hit them eventually. People like you don't repeat, hearts like yours don't return, souls like yours don't duplicate, love like yours doesn't happen twice. You are rare, you are real, you are unique, and you are unforgettable, whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know, but what I do know is it's the truth, and one day, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but someday, the world will realize your value. Just make sure that when they finally do,